Good morning, students. Exercise 3.2 is complete in the last class. Today I am going to start miscellaneous exercise 3. Okay. Then the first question is, if matrix A equals to minus 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is the matrix of order 2 by 2. Then find the value of A square. You can easily find the value of A square because you know very well that A square is obtained by the A square is obtained by the A is multiplied by A. Okay. The second question is, if matrix A equals to 4, 2, minus 1 and 1. This is the matrix of order 2 by 2. Then find the value of A minus 2i multiplied by A minus 3i, where I is the identity matrix, and the order of the identity matrix will be in this question 2 by 2 because matrix A is the order of matrix 2 by 2. Okay. Then in this question first of all we find the A minus 2i, means A में से I को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके माइनस करना है. Then this is matrix is called A minus 2i. After that we find the value of A minus 3i, and after that we will multiply the A minus 2i with the A minus 3i. Okay, clear? You can do it. Okay. Question number third, if matrix A equals to 1, 2, minus 3 and 4. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2, and matrix B is 5 and minus 1. This is the matrix of order 2 by 1, and this is the matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. Then find the value of A. Means A is multiplied with the matrix B. Then the rule of multiplication of two matrix. Then what? The number of column in matrix A is equals to the number of rows of matrix B. Okay. The number of column of matrix A is equals to the number of row of matrix B. मल्टीप्लाई परफॉर्म कैसे होता है? यहाँ से रो को हम इधर से कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एंड द रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या होगा? द नंबर ऑफ रोज इक्वल्स टू द मैट्रिक्स A एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इज इक्वल्स टू द मैट्रिक्स B. देन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, after multiplication the resultant matrix order will be 2 by 1. Okay. Question number 4, if matrix A equals to minus iota 0, 0 and iota. Iota you know that very well. In 11th class, iota is a imaginary number which is used in the complex number O. Okay, and the value of iota square is minus 1. If matrix A equals to minus iota 0, 0 and iota, and matrix B equals to 0, iota, iota and 0, where iota square equals to minus 1, then find the value of BA. यहाँ ये ध्यान रखना कि matrix BA find करनी है, then we write the matrix B first and after then we write the matrix A. means B को matrix A से multiply करना है. मल्टीप्लाई का रूल आपको पता ही है, तो हम ये क्वेश्चन इजीली कर सकते हैं. ओके. The question number 5th, if A minus B equals to 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the matrix of order 3 by 3. And A plus B equals to 3, 5, minus 7, minus 1, 1, 4, 11, 8, 0. Then find the matrix of A and B. We have done this question exercise 3.2 already. Okay. A minus B given, this is the equation first. A plus B equals to given, this is the equation 2. By using the elimination method, equation first is add with equation 2. Then minus B2 plus B कैंसिल हो जाएगा. A and A ऐड होके 2A होगा, और A की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए 2 का ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. Then it is changed into the 1/2 and multiplied by this matrix. After then the value of A is putting the equation second or putting the equation first, then we get the value of B. Okay, clear? The last question, 6th, this is a matrix of order 2 by 3 is equals to the this matrix. ठीक है. इस तरह के काफी क्वेश्चन हमने एक्सरसाइज 3.1 में किए हैं. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are equal and their corresponding elements are equal. Then we comparing the both matrices. Then minus 2 equals to x plus 2. Then the value of x is minus 4. Okay. and minus y minus 2 equals to 5, then the value of y equals to minus 7. Okay, then we can do the question 1 to 6 very easily. Okay, then the question number 7 is, the question number 7, if A is a matrix of order, if A is a matrix of order 3 by 4 and B is another matrix such that ATB, AT, T means transpose of matrix से ATB and ABT is defined, then what is the order of matrix B? Matrix B. Okay, I clear the question that if A is a matrix of order 3 by 2 means एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसका ऑर्डर 3 by 4 है and B is another matrix such that A T multiply with B, A transpose multiply by B and A multiply by transpose of B means ABT is defined, means इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिफाइन हो रहा है, पॉसिबल है, देन फाइंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स B। तो हमें B मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर फाइंड करना है, तो देखिए सॉल्यूशन, ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A equals to 3 by 4, order of matrix AT is the order 4 by 3. You know that the transpose matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and column. Okay, transpose matrix is obtained by changing the rows and column. Row column में change हो जाएगा और column row में. Then the order of transpose matrix will be n by n, means 4 by 3. Okay, let the order of matrix B equals to m by n. Then the order of matrix BT, we change the rows and column, n by m. Okay, clear? Then the first multiplication is defined, ATB is defined. For define ATB, what is the rule of the multiplication process of two matrices? Then the number of column of first matrix is equals to the number of rows of second matrix. Then number of column in AT equals to number of rows in matrix B. Okay, the multiplication of two matrices is possible when the number of column of first matrix is equals to the number of rows of second matrix. Then the number of column of AT में number of column कितने हैं? 3. Then the number of rows in matrix B, तो matrix B में number of rows कितने हैं? m. Then the value of m equals to 3. Okay, clear? The multiplication ATB is defined when the number of column of AT is equals to the number of row of matrix B. Then the number of column in AT is 3 and the number of rows in matrix B is m. Then the value of m equals to 3. The second multiplication is defined ABD. Or defined ABD. Then what is the rule of multiplication? The number of columns of matrix A is equals to the number of row in matrix BT. Number of columns in matrix A is equals to the number of rows in matrix BT. Okay, the number of columns in matrix A. Matrix A में number of column is 4 and the number of rows in BT. BT is this and the number of rows is n. So the value of n equals to 4. Then we get the value of n and the value of m is 3 and the value of n is 4. Then we putting the value in this equation. The order of matrix B equals to m by n and the value of m is 3 and value of n is 4. Then the order of matrix B will be 3 by 4. So last answer we can write this. The order of matrix B equals to 3 by 4. Okay, clear? बिल्कुल सिंपल है, ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. The question number 8 is if A equals to -2, -1 and 1, -1, 7 and 4, 1 minus x and -3, okay, is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix, then find the value of A. Okay, this is a symmetric matrix, then find the value of A. You know very well that what is the symmetric matrix. If the transpose of this matrix is equals to itself, then this matrix is a symmetric matrix, and if the transpose of this matrix is equals to the negative of itself, then this is a skew symmetric matrix. मींस सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में हम किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेंगे, किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेंगे और उसका ट्रांसपोज उसी मैट्रिक्स के इक्वल आता है, then this matrix is called as symmetric matrix. Then A is a symmetric matrix. Solution: A equals to -2, -1 and 1, -1, 7 and 4, 1 minus x and -3. First of all, we find the transpose of matrix AT. The transpose matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and column. Then first row is changed into the first column, second row changed into second column, and third row is changed into third column. Then -2, -1 and 1, -1, 7 and 4, 1 minus x and -3. This is the transpose matrix AT of A. Okay, if A is a symmetric matrix, if A is a symmetric matrix, then what is the condition of symmetric matrix? The transpose of matrix A is equals to itself. Then we putting the value of A transpose and A. -2, -1, 1, -1, 7, -x, 1, 4 and -3 is equals to matrix A -2, -1 and 1, -1, 7 and 4, 1 minus x and -3. Then these two matrices are equal. Then we apply the rule of equal of two matrices. Okay. Then we compare the elements of both matrices. -2 equals to -2, -1 equals to -1, 1 equals to 1. minus x equals to 4, then x equals to minus 4. Okay, 4 equals to minus x, then x equals to minus 4. On comparing किसी भी एलिमेंट्स को कंपेयर करके हम x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. माइनस एक्स इक्वल्स टू 4, देन x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4. ओके, very simple question. Matrix A symmetric matrix, then we find the first A transpose, and A transpose is equals to the A. Then we compare the both matrix and find the value of x. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9 is, if B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, okay, and B equals to B I J, okay, and elements are defined as Bij equals to I multiply j. This is a very simple question we have done in exercise 3.1. Okay, if B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, means B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, and what is the value of the elements? Then the elements are defined as the Bij equals to I into j. So firstly we will form a rough matrix of the order 3 by 3. You know, D11, D12, D13, D21, D22, D23, D31, D32, D33, and the value of elements are found by using the property which is applied on the elements of this matrix. Then Bij equals to I multiply j. Okay, when we find the value of B11, then we putting the value of I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, then 1 into 1 equals to 1, तो इस एलिमेंट की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. Then we find the value of B12, then we putting the value of I is 1 and j is 2, then 1 multiplied 2, तो इस एलिमेंट की वैल्यू 2, इस एलिमेंट की वैल्यू 3. Then we can easily find, easily form the matrix B. Okay, clear? The question number 10. The question number 10 is, if A equals to 2, 3 and minus 4, minus 1, 2 and 3. This is the matrix of order 2 by 3, and the matrix B is minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, then find the value of A plus B. Then find the value of A plus B. Okay, the matrix of A is given on the order 2 by 3 and the matrix B is 3 by 2. तो मैट्रिक्स ए में मैट्रिक्स बी को ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऐड करने का रूल है कि दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए. इसीलिए क्वेश्चन में ए को बी में ऐड नहीं करना, ए को बी के ट्रांसपोज में ऐड करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बी. सॉल्यूशन, मैट्रिक्स बी इज गिवन, आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बी. देन द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बी and the order of BT is 2 by 3 and the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. After that we add the matrix A with BT. Okay, so first of all we find the transpose of matrix B and after that we add A plus BT, we add A with BT. Okay, clear? The question number 11 is, express matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, where matrix A is equals to 6, 2, 5, 4, and we discuss the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix in the last lecture that any square matrix A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix। तो वही क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको प्रूव करवाया था A plus AT is a symmetric matrix because जब हमने A plus AT का ट्रांसपोज लिया था then the transpose of this matrix is equals to the itself। So A plus AT is a symmetric matrix and A minus AT का transpose, the transpose of A minus AT is equals to the negative of A minus AT, then A minus AT is a skew symmetric matrix। फिर मैंने दोनों को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड किया तो ऐड करने पे अपना आंसर किसके इक्वल आया था A की। और वहां भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की सम की फॉर्म में हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है, सॉल्यूशन मैट्रिक्स A इक्वल्स टू 6 2 5 and 4 and to prove A equals to half of A plus AT, this is a symmetric matrix, plus half of A minus AT, this is a skew symmetric matrix। Then we solve the right hand side and after solving the right hand side the answer will be equals to the given matrix A। Okay, then taking RHS को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें कौन सी वैल्यूज की रिक्वायरमेंट है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ A ट्रांसपोज। ओके, the matrix A is given, then the A transpose is equals to the rows are changed into the column 6 2 5 and 4। okay, after that we find the value of A plus AT। A plus AT, A is 6 2 5 4 plus 80 6 5 2 4, then we add the both matrix, the corresponding elements are add 6 plus 6 12, 2 plus 5 7, okay, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 4 8, this is the A plus 80, then we find the half of A plus 80, half of A plus 80 12 7 7 and 8, then the each element of this is matrix is multiplied by 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 into 12 6, 1 upon 2 into 7 7 upon 2 7 upon 2 and 4। clear, this is equation number first। then we find the A minus AT and after that multiplied by 1 upon 2 and after that the equation first and second are add, then this equation is solved equals to the A। okay, clear, then we find the A minus AT। हाँ, A plus AT को सॉल्व करने का आंसर कितना आया है 6 7 upon 2 7 upon 2 and 4। then we find A minus AT, A 6 2 5 4 minus 80 6 5 2 4 equals to 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 4 0, this is the matrix of A minus AT। then we find half of A minus AT equals to 1 upon 2 0 minus 3 3 and 0, this matrix multiplied by 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 multiply 0 0 minus 3 upon 2 3 upon 2 and 0, this is equation second। the equation first is half of A plus AT equals to this is equation first and this is equation second, then we add the equation first and second equation, adding the equation first and second। okay, half of A plus AT plus half of A minus 80. Putting the value from equation first and second, half of a plus 80 is 6, 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2 and 4. Plus half of a minus 80 is 0, minus 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 and 0. Then we add the both matrix, 6 plus 0, 7 upon 2 plus minus 3 upon 2, 7 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 and 4 plus 0. कितना हुआ? 6 plus 0, 6, 7 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 LCM 2, then 4 upon 2, then 2. 7 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 LCM 2, then 10 upon 2, 5 and 4. Then the answer of the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix 6254. 6254 is equals to the A. Then this statement is proved. So we can write this A. Then half of A plus 80 plus half of A minus 80 equals to A. Means किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की सम की फॉर्म में हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. क्लियर? ओके.